In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional salary slip report using RDLC in .NET Windows Form. We will also learn how to design the report and how to bind data. Create new project in Windows Form App .NET Framework. Then I'll name the project name as Demo Project. Now our project is ready. This type of window will be open. Next, I need to install RDLC Report Designer. For that, I'll go to Extension tab and then Manage Extension. In the Browse tab, I'll write Microsoft RDLC Report Designer. In my case, I have already downloaded it. First, you need to close the Visual Studio, then only it can get downloaded. Next, we need to install Report Viewer. For that, we will go to Tools app and then Manage NuGet Packages. Then search for Microsoft Reporting Services ReportViewer Control WinForms. We will download the latest version of this package. After downloading, it will be shown in our Solution Explorer. This will allow us to create and display RDLC reports. Now next, we need to create RDLC report. For that, right-click on the project and add the new item and select the report. I'll name it as salaryslip.rdlc. This shows that this is our RDLC file. Now this type of page will be open. Now let's create a model class. For that, right click on the project, add the class and name it as employee details. First, we will create report through model. This class will act as our data source. Here I'll give employee details such as UID, name, designation, and department. Next is attendance and then salary. Now these are all the employee details which we will show in our report. Now open RDLC file. We will click on new, then dataset, and we will add the dataset through object. Here it's showing nothing. It sometimes happens. So first we need to build our project. After build project, it will show the dataset inside our object. Select employee details and click on finish tab. Now we will create and design a report. In this box, we will right click and insert page header. Here all are the options such as text box, line, table, matrix, and image also. For example, we can also add logo in our report, company logo. So now first we will add page header. Inside the page header, I'll add text box. Inside this text box, I'll write the company name. Like this, we will add another text box for the address. And then salary slip. Like this, we can design our header. Next thing that we can do in our report designer is to add table. For that, first we will right click and then insert table inside a report box. Inside table, we can also add extra column, extra row, like this, left or right, and then we will place the data inside our table. For that, first we will go to expression. Now next we will add table. For that, we will right click and then insert. For that, we will right click and then go to the insert. Now I need to add value inside the table. For that, we will go to the cell, then right click, then there is a expression. We click on it, then the expression then the expression box will appear. Inside the field, we will see that our data set is connected, and on the right And on the bottom right side, there are the values. And then we will set the expression as field dot such as UID dot value. Then our value will be given through this. The value of UID will be given inside the report. In the same way, we will set the other values. Like this, we will add values in the table. Now, if we want to add value in the text box area, like in the net salary, we will go to the text box properties and then select the value of it. And it will be shown as expression, EXPR. Then I'll need to bind a report to the form. Here is a code for form. The next thing we need to do is add report viewer in form in the design. So for that, we will go toolbox and then search report viewer. Here I'll drag the report viewer and choose the report of our project and rebind the data source. Then I'll resize the report viewer according to the form. Inside the form load event, create a list of employee details. Then bind it using report data source. Inside the employee details, I'll give the value of or I'll give value of all the labels that I have put in report. Now I'll write report viewer 1 dot local report. This report viewer 1 is the name of the report viewer that is inside the form. This tells app which report file to load. Here we can see this inside the property. the name of the report viewer, and inside the event we can see the method which is used. Then I'll write the project name with RDLC file. Next, I'm connecting the RDLC dataset with dataset 1 through the list. This line is a report data source. Using this clear to remove our old data from the report viewer and then add new data to the report. Refresh report function is used to display report on the screen and refresh the report. Code is done, then we will run our application. A report is displaying on the screen. In the next video, we will discuss how to download the report in PDF format. Thank you for watching.